Good day everyone, welcome to our channel. This and these, that and those. Do you know the difference? In this video today we are going to talk about these wonderful words, how to use them, how to build sentences with them, and how not to be confused by them. After this video, our free grammar quiz will help you practice and check your understanding of these rules. Let's get started. Let's start with this. This is used for singular nouns and when you're talking about one thing that's close to you, something you can point to. For example, this is my cup. This shop is huge. Also, this is used to introduce people. This is my friend Sarah. This is my brother John. This is our teacher. That is an opposite to this. That means a different one, another, which is further away. This is my house. That is Frank's house. My house is near me. Frank's house is further away. This is my dog. That is my neighbor's dog. My dog is close. The other dog is further away or not mine. Please note, when you're talking on the phone to someone you don't know well, for example, in a formal or business situation, you can say, "Good morning, this is Julia." If you want to ask who is speaking, you can say, "Is that Jack?" But when you're calling someone who knows you well, like your mom or a close friend, don't say, "This is me." It's better to say, "It's me." So this is used for something around us. That is used for something within a distance or something alternative. These is used for plural nouns and when you want to say or show people or things which are close to you. These shoes are mine. The shoes are near you, maybe you are wearing them or holding them. These people are my friends. My friends are with me now. Have a look at how to pronounce them. This, a short sound. These, a long sound. This cup, these cups. This dog, these dogs. Those is used for plural nouns and it means different ones. Other, which are further away. Those shoes are expensive. Those books are mine. I hope this was a clear and helpful explanation. Don't forget to check your understanding and usage of these rules by doing our free quiz. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as it helps us out. Thank you and goodbye.